In this video, I'll show you how to change the Chats and Channels view in Microsoft Teams so you can organize your conversations in a way that works best for you. If you want a cleaner layout or prefer separating chats from channels, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. To begin, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or through your web browser and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in Teams, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or initials. From the menu that appears, select Settings. When the Settings window opens, click on the General tab from the left-hand menu. This section controls the overall look and behavior of Microsoft Teams. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Chats and Channels. Here, you'll see different layout choices for how chats and channels are displayed. Select the option that best fits how you like to manage your conversations. As soon as you choose a new view, Teams will automatically apply the change. You may notice the layout update right away, or Teams may briefly refresh to show the new arrangement. Once you're satisfied with the new setup, simply close the Settings window. Your preference will be saved and used every time you open Microsoft Teams. That's how you can change the Chats and Channels view in Microsoft Teams to better match your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.